When I was little, my grandpa always owned a shop, so I always grew up around cars. It's like automotive's in my blood.
My dad is a gas and diesel mechanic by trade, and ever since I was little, I was always mixing around his tools, and I've always loved cars, so I felt like automotive was the perfect decision.
I love cars. I've been fascinated with cars since I was 3, so being able to come for most of my day and work on them to get me into an actual career was the greatest thing I've done in high school.
At EVIT's Automotive Program, you'll get hands-on training in a real shop environment, learning to service and maintain all types of vehicles.
In the program, we're able to work on engines, suspension, tires, brakes, and even electrical.
You'll work toward your ASE certification and be career-ready by graduation. You'll be able to step into the industry with real-world experience through internships and job shadowing. Your skills, your passion, your future in automotive starts right here at EVIT.
I've improved as a person, I've met friends, I've got to do things I love, and now I'm set up for a career.
I'll be able to get an actual job as soon as I graduate high school instead of trying to go out to trade schools or colleges.
EVIT has really changed my life because I have an opportunity to get a head start at working on cars and being able to start my career early.
Your future, your way at EVIT. Enroll today at evit.edu.